Turkey hunting and scent control. Turkey can't smell, so why would you worry about scent control? But I just want to give you my opinion, what I practice when I turkey hunt. Look, I put a lot of effort into my turkey hunting, and I hunt 100% of the time with a bow. Thing is that I get in a ground blind early, in the dark, and I sit, because most of our hunting up here in the Northeast is till 12 noon. So I put a lot of hours in a blind in a stationary position. So for me, scent control matters because I don't remember a time when I've been out on a turkey hunt and haven't seen a deer, or haven't had a deer in that amount of time pass by my stationary position. That's why it's so important to me. But let me break this down to you the way I think about turkey hunting. I'm gonna wash my camo clothes anyway. I always wash my camo clothes in unscented soap. It's just what I always do. I actually bear hunt the same time of year that I spring turkey hunt. So for me, there's no other option except washing my clothes in unscented soap. As far as showering or personal hygiene, I'm going to shower anyway, so why would I use a scented soap? Why would I make the other animals in the area aware of my presence? I realize a turkey can't smell, but a deer can. I've seen this so many times where a turkey has used a deer's nose. They look out in that field, they see a deer that's spooked, or there's some reason why that deer is blowing or leaving that field. They're wary. They're not that curious of an animal. They don't come out there. So to me, why would I make the deer aware of my presence? We got our clothes washed, we got personal hygiene, and now we get down to a field spray. And you know, I've had 100 people tell me, that's a joke. Why would you field spray when turkey can't smell? But when I think about it, I broke it down to 20 cents out of my pocket, 20 cents worth of product that I'm using. As far as time, I'm not asking you to do a blood transfusion. You're in there, it's taking you less than 10 seconds to spray down. 20 cents, 10 seconds. Does that matter that much in a turkey hunt? Well, I don't know. Am I going to have 1% better chance of harvesting a bird with my bow than I would if I didn't use it? I mean, it didn't take that long to do. It didn't cost me that much money. Why wouldn't I take that precaution? Look, I've had this happen to me so many times. I've been in a blind, had a deer be curious, come close to my decoys, wind me, bust me in that field, and no turkeys have showed up. I've had turkeys gobbling, coming to me, heard a deer blow, it was over. Now, I'm not telling you that spraying down or using scent control is 100% foolproof. Like I said, I don't really know what the percentage is. But for me, in the last 4 years, in 3 states, I've taken 20 birds with my bow. And that's saying something. I didn't have that success before. When I started practicing scent control during my turkey season, I had a lot more success, a lot more opportunities. So I just want you to think about that. I've had success with it, spraying down, practicing scent control during turkey season.